Hi traders, it's Osian here from Trading College. And in this video, I want to talk to you about something that if you're a fan of our podcast and our blog posts on the website, you might have noticed that we have a particular theme going on this month, which is lifestyle trading, or using our systems and strategies to suit your lifestyle or whatever lifestyle you want. Doesn't matter what time commitments or what else you've got going on, if you're picking up the kids from school or you're working full time. I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can use our systems and strategies to suit the time that you have free. And so in this video, first I want to explain a little bit about the strategy that we're going to be using, that I'm going to be showing you how to trade. And then we're going to move on to looking at some examples of some swing trades using that strategy on Eurodollar. But before we get started, if you're a fan of the Trading College YouTube page, please remember to like this video and to subscribe to the Trading College YouTube channel, because we have videos coming out every week with useful tips and telling you more about the education and the courses that we have on offer. So let's get into it. So the strategy that we're going to be talking about today is our flagship strategy here at Trading College, the Pro Trading System. And this strategy really is sort of simplicity at its best. It basically uses a traffic light system of colors on the candles. And using these colors, they tell us when to enter or exit a trade. And it really is just as simple as it sounds. So you can see here that I've got the Eurodollar chart, and the W is for the weekly. So each of these candlesticks is showing a weekly amount of data. So like Blue Peter, here's one I made earlier. I've got exactly the same chart here, showing exactly the same market over the same time frame, but without the Pro Trading System software on it. So you can see here on the left is with the Pro Trading System, and on the right is without. So I explained earlier that we get our trades based on the colors of the candles. So a new red from a green is a signal to go short the market, and just look at that big move here. And have a look at the same area on the chart on the right without the Pro Trading System. Now, you can see here that you just can't get the same sort of trades just based on these candles. It doesn't give you that confirmation of the colors to take that big trade in this big direction here. So now that we've sort of compared and contrasted these charts, let's get rid of the one without the Pro Trading System, because that's of no use to us whatsoever in our trades. And I'll enlarge the one that we do have the Pro Trading System on. There we go. Now that's filling up the screen. And now I want to talk to you about just how simple it is to trade this strategy. Now you can see here that we're just looking at the colors, and we're looking at each time we get a green from a red or a red from a green. So let's start working backwards. I'm going to get to my arrow function here. So you can see that we got a green candlestick here from a red. So we're looking to trade this signal up. And you can see that when we've got a fresh trade as well, the Pro Trading System even gives us these numbers and dots. And so these are Pro Trading System profit targets. And you can see that we've met number one, we've met number two, and now we're looking to take this signal up to target number three. And these two smaller numbers here at the bottom are our Pro Trading System entry level and our stop. So you can see that with this really tight stop of only, less than 50 pips, we've managed to get all of these points up here. Nearly, if we get up to our ultimate target here of 11,426, that would be over 500 pips profit from a 50 pip stop. So a 10-to-1 risk to reward. And so let's take a look back in time to see what's happened in the most recent past. And you can see here that we've gone green here, we've had a new red signal, and just look at this big swing trade here. Another brilliant, brilliant trade. Again, let's get my ruler. So we closed and confirmed this red signal here. And if we measure the distance to the top of this pivot high, that's 466 pips stop. And then you can see that we had a profit here of over 2,000 points. So that is a 4-to-1 risk to reward, which is really brilliant. And that's just from one trade entry. So I'll get rid of that now. Let's have another look. And this really is just as simple as the pro trading system is. You can see that we had some green candles here. We had a small trade here. We had another small trade here where we went red. So that's given another good profit. 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now look here. We've got another green signal here from a red. And just look at that. Another big profit there. Great risk to reward. So let me just measure that. So measuring from the close and confirmed green candle, we've got a stop of about 650 pips, and we've got a reward of just over 1,000 pips. So again, this is maybe a 1.8-to-1 risk to reward, which is another brilliant trade. And so this is just a few examples of how you can use the pro trading system on the weekly chart. And the reason I'm showing this to you is because on a weekly chart, you're looking for these candles. They close and confirm just on a Sunday evening when the market's open. That's when the candles close and confirm, and you get the new candle opening. So all you have to do is check your charts for literally just a few minutes each week, because you've been through the signals, you're looking at which markets are coming up, which ones are going to give you some good signals, and then all you've got to do is once a week check them to see if you've got a new trade signal, and that won't take you more than a few minutes. So this is a brilliant way that you can use the pro trading system to swing trade, and then that is then going to give you some easy profits on the side of whatever else you've got going on in your life. Whether you're working full-time and you're just looking to make some money on the side, or whether you deliberately want to have your days free and you just want to be making some swing trades, making some profits on the side of playing golf or spending time with the family, whatever else you've got going on. So I hope this video has given you an insight into how we can use the pro trading system to swing trade, and also showed you exactly what the pro trading system is. And I'll look forward to speaking to you in a future video. And in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Trading College channel, and have a look at our podcast and our website, and take advantage of all the free resources that we have on offer with trading tips and advice.